Hey, yo, web traveler. Happy holidays and shit. Look at that. We are doing like some Christmas unboxing. It's Ling Dong. Oh my god. What a name. What a name. Well, I will keep my Ling Dong in my pants today, but let's see what this Christmas box is all about. I hope you all well travel. I don't know what this shit is. I hope you all well, travelers. I don't remember if the cards are thick or thin. Actually, I bought this box a year ago, but it came very late, so I couldn't unbox it before the holidays. Now I do, and you can see I already took a sneak peek 1 year ago, so I can't remember shit about it. From the looks of it, the cards are thick, so that's a bummer. I don't like the thick cards, but it doesn't matter. Let's see how the cards look like, because that's the important part. First one, freaking amazing. Just look at that. It's Ram. Why are you not focusing? Bruh, like they're boobas. Yeah, thank you. There's Merry Christmas. She is kinda naked and she's holding a present in her hands, although she's a present herself in this clothes. So Ram, you didn't have to, but thank you. How does the back look like? The back looks like a puzzle piece. That's interesting. All right, what are we gonna do? We're gonna take a look at all of these, and then I'm gonna turn them all over upside down at the end of the video, and we're gonna try to complete the puzzle. I'm very curious to see if that's even possible. We have another Chikaruni, also very naked, very good Christmas present. If the camera lets me. Goddamn, what's wrong with you? I need to touch it. Oh my god. Out of focus, where did you go? The quality is nice. I mean, look at the sweat on her belly. That's not what I wanted to say. I mean, the quality of the cards is quite good. They're not that thick. This is acceptable. I like this thickness, but god damn it. That's why are you not autofocusing? Is my autofocus off or something? Let's see. No, he focuses on Jojo every freaking time. Man, oh, that's because he's fucking cam, like smart cam. It sees faces. Okay, let's remove faces from my background, so it will focus again. The shine is good, the quality feels nice, and I'm starting to remove the faces, and I'm very curious to see if my theory is correct, and he will focus more. Already he's focusing better. Genshin Impact? I think. I don't know for sure. I played for a few hours, so I don't know anything. Oh my god. That is Kaguya? Yeah, she has a sister, right? I believe. I can't remember. Or is this the sister of the main dude, which names I don't remember. But I really love her, so yeah, that's a nice one to get. Man, the stockings, I love it. Or the socks, whatever those are, I love them. I have a Christmas vibes, what can I say? Do you hear the bells? Do you hear, what did it called? The Ling Dong bells? Jiggling, do you hear the Ling Dong jiggle? Well, I can hear it for certain. Cars are beautiful, man. I didn't expect it. I love it. I'm surprised. No way. Okay, get the fuck out of here. Yes, Rin Tosaka Christmas card. That's fucking amazing. Oh my god. It's the best present that I could have gotten. Got a story or Ling Dong story. Whatever you are. Thank you. Yes. Yes, so good. And you even see Rishiko at the back. That's for sure Genshin Impact. Very nice one. I mean, look at all Christmas vibes, man. It's amazing if you're into it. I mean, I enjoy it. I enjoy some Christmas shit. So cute. Look at that. It's a cat. It's a cat lady with a cat. Who do we have here? I don't know who you are. Oh wait, that's Mona from Genshin Impact. If not for this freaking face there. Can you focus? Yes. Is it her? I think it is, because of that crown thing. And we have another Merry Christmas. Little bit cut off there, but okay. I mean, it's not like I'm looking to this. I'm more look to this part of the card and this part of the card. So, you know, nice side booba. Very good. I didn't expect them to be that good quality, man. Hey, we have Fate. Yeah, baby. I mean, you should, right? If you're making a Christmas. Fate has already like Christmas clothing and everything on characters. So like this one. Who do we have here? This looks like a character from Anasuba, like a side character, or ReZero. I don't know, man. Small girls. I'm not expert at small girls, so I can't say for sure. God damn, can I even show this? Why don't I have a Rintosuka like this? What is this shit? That was a very interesting one. Hey Nami, hello, One Piece, let's go. Also looking fire there. Not having cold, you know. Devil chick, yeah man, I love it, I love it. I'm actually curious to see how much cards are there, and then while I was saying this, I see the number. What is the highest number that I got? This is the highest number, 65. So you can buy multiple to complete the set. And I actually a little bit attempted to do this, because they are amazing. We have Vocaloid, what's her name? Miku? My god, I forgot. I mean, if it's not Miku, sorry. I don't know why, but my brain just derped it. I forgot her name. We have, hey, quintessential quintuplets. That's a nice surprise. This area looks kind of sus, not gonna lie. But beside that, it's a good one. It's a little bit less Christmas vibes, and I like the variety of it. Because most of them have like Christmas clothes, which is cool, I love it, don't get me wrong. But this is a nice variety of a card, because she doesn't have them. But you have a very nice background, like a winter background, snow, and she has this little present, so you get the vibes, but at the other spectrum. That's a nice shot. A lot of going on there. She has cat ears, but also horns and whatever this is. Who do we have here? No clue whatsoever. But I like the present she's holding, especially where she's holding the present. I like the tails. Twin tails. That's my thing. Cool. Hey, another Fate Saber chick, Karuni. Oh! Genshin Impact, let's go! She is your present for Christmas, I love it. What do we have here? No idea. But those legs, man, oh my god. Can I buy something like this for my wife? I'm gonna take a look at AliExpress for a while after this video. I mean, we've seen already much of this. It's not that special. It's special, don't get me wrong. Why am I saying, but I mean, like, here, right? Kind of the same vibe. So, yeah, I don't have to say much about it. That's Genshin Impact again. Very cute, especially with the ghost there. Ghost, yes. A little bit of action over here for some of you folks who enjoy that. What do we have here? Hey, we have Ram, right? Ram. Let me put them together. Very cool. Hey, you again. Okay. I prefer this one more, but I mean, it's still a good card, you know. By the way, 67, the number. That's the highest so far, I believe. He's happening a lot. There are two faces. This face gives me a little bit of anxiety. I don't know why, but it's just so random. There are three faces. Now I have even more anxiety. Okay, let's remove this one over there. And hey, that's a cute one. Oh, so cute. It is so cute. Thank you for not sexualizing her. I mean, you kind of little bit did here, but that's okay. My brain doesn't tell me to sexualize Nezuko, so I love this one. Nice, very cute. My brain tells me to sexualize those pieces of cakes, so yeah, boy. From a judgment of our Tris Mécanique d'Analyse Cardinal, that's a good card. What do we have here? Hey, another Fate. I think it is? I don't know. Fuck. Great information, TCG. Yes! I have two! Woo! I love it. Man, thank you. Oh my god. So good. So good. Ugh. That's a good box to get. That's a long time ago when I was this happy with like random thick cards. Oh my god. You fucking keep firing at my heart. Oh. There are three of them. There are freaking three of them. Can I get more? And the last card is Merry Christmas card. Okay, so now let's take a look at the backgrounds to see if I can complete some puzzle. Okay, from the looks of it, I did get ahead of myself. Not all of them have the puzzle cards. Worst case scenario, which would be probably the one that we got in this storyline, is that only the first card had the puzzle piece at its back. Because as far as we go right now, none of them. Alright, one of them, two of them. That's not much, man. How does it determine? Like, is it a number of a card? No. Maybe it's random. That's not... Man, I was hyped to see the puzzle at the end. But we are not gonna see it. 3 of all those cards are the puzzle. Well, I got the face, which is kind of cool. From the looks of it, it's the same puzzle, so that's a good one. I got some booba. I don't know how it's... well, there you go. Booba. Very important part also. He doesn't want to focus anymore because of the faces. Cool. And I got the toe. How? Oh my god. I don't understand. Probably it's gonna be here. Thank you for watching. I wish you happy holidays, fellow web travelers. Love you, and I see you in another one. Bye.